How do you calculate the financial return on well-being? Most of the focus today has been narrow and negative. That is, it looks to measure the benefits of a well-being programme, or it measures a reduction in absenteeism or sickness. Yet a broader and more positive notion of well-being is needed in an age where the dangers of presenteeism, including low productivity, burnout and spreading sickness, are well known. If health is increasingly recognised as much more than just the absence of sickness, how do we move well-being at work to a closer connection with performance and the financial benefits that come with it? The SAP case shows how an accepted design thinking method of experience journey mapping may be used to keep the employee in focus and help create a culture of well-being, which in turn generates additional revenues of over 10 million euros. It's not just about making an intervention, it's the right thing in the right place at the right time. Local needs matter, and those needs change over time.